Hi there. Pretty Prompt is Grammarly for prompting. It's a Chrome extension. You just put it on your browser and it's going to take any text and turn it into a perfect prompt on ChatGPT. How does it work? Let's just try marathon training. Now, this is not even a prompt. With Pretty Prompt, I get to improve my prompt with one click. I get the output, and by default, I get a perfect crafted prompt in under 20 seconds that actually I get a useful output. This is the secret for great AI, to use great prompting, but using great prompting takes time. Now, imagine that I want to use it for work and I need to do a marketing plan for a clothing brand. So rather than using the default one, I'm going to use the refine that is going to pop up a few questions and I can go through them. So this is for athletes and the USP is high quality materials. And for example, I want to drive sales and I refine and it's going to take that into account when creating the final prompt. And then if I need, I can refine it further. But in just one click, I got an awesome prompt for a great output. Give it a go.
How do you save prompts to your prompt library? It's very easy. Let's click on the drop down of the Improve Prompt button. Let's select Prompt History. And there, you're going to see a log of all your past prompts that you've gone and you've improved through Pretty Prompt. We can select the original one or the improved. Say that I want to select the original one, the unimproved one. And we're just going to click the Save to Library button. Once it's there, it's going to ask me to add a title, which I can type manually or just ask Pretty Prompt to auto-generate. I can edit whatever I want from the prompt and hit save. That's it. Very, very easy. Now, if I want to bring something from outside of Pretty Prompt, say that I'm in Notion and I want to copy this prompt and bring it into my library, I can also do that. Now, in the drop-down button, select Prompt Library. Because it's coming from outside, we're going to hit Add New Prompt. We're going to paste the prompt here. We're going to auto-generate a title and then click Save. That's it. Super easy. Good luck. Let me know if this helps.